Good morning, year 3. So today we are going to continue with our adding, but today we're going to be adding with renaming or regrouping, as we sometimes call it. Now this is whenever we have to change a number from one place value column into the other. So our guided practice says use the numbers 2, 7, 9 and 6 to make two numbers and add them together. So we're going to make one 3-digit number and a 1-digit number and add them together. Now there's 3 different methods that we're going to go through, so make sure you watch the whole video and you can remember each of the methods, and it's up to you which one you want to use, which one you feel most confident in today. Okay, so the first method is we're going to be using base 10. So we're going to do, let me see, I'll just do the numbers as they are. 379 add 6. This can be our first question. Or 200. So we've got 279. Let's make that number first. So we've got 100, 200. What have we got in the tens column? We've got 7 in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then in the ones, oh, can you see them all? In the ones I've got a 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to be adding 6. So I'm just going to put them up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, can we remember when we're adding, we always start with the ones. So let's add up how many ones we have. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, we have 15 ones, but we can't write 15. We can't put 2 digits into one place value. So what we're going to do is we're going to regroup 10 of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to swap them for one base 10. So we can put those 10 ones back, and now we have an extra base 10. So let's count them up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So we'll start filling it in. We'll leave a little bit of space because I know I've got the tens and hundreds to put in. So 5 ones. How many tens have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tens now. So the 8 goes into the tens column. And how many hundreds? We haven't changed the hundreds, so it should be 1, 2. Still got 2 hundreds. So our answer is 279 add 6 makes 285. Fantastic. Now the next method we're going to use is expanded column method. Now we haven't really used this one in a while, so let's see if you can remember. So I'm going to do, let's say, we'll just start from here this time. Now column method, remember, actually we'll put in our hundreds, tens and ones. Sometimes it's easier to write these at the top, just to remember which column you're putting the digits into. So we'll do 796 add 2. Okay, so just be very careful that you're putting the right digits in the right place. I'm going to do a line below. Now the expanded column method, the step 1 is we're going to add our ones. Remember, we always start from 1. So 6 add 2 makes 8. Now in the next row below, we're going to add our 10. So we've got this 9 means 90, and we've got no 10s here. So 90 add no 10s makes 90. And then once we've done our 1s, 10s, our hundreds come next. 700s add no hundreds is still 700. Now the last step we need to do is to add all of these up together. So 8 add 0 is 8. 9 add 0 is 9. And nothing and nothing add 7 is 7. So if you want, you can write this as a number sentence as well. So 796 add 2, this equals 798. You probably could have done that one by adding on as well in your head. Now the final column method we're going to do, or the final method we're going to do is column method. So it's like this one, but it's a bit shorter. Okay, so I'm going to do, let's see, let's jumble them up a little bit more. 769 add 2. Do a line below. Make sure we've got our hundreds, tens and ones at the top, so I know. So remember, we always start with our ones. So 9 add 2. Now we know 9 add 2 makes 11, but we can't put 1 and 1 both into the hundreds or the ones column. So we're going to put, from the 11, we're going to put 1 for the ones, but then we've also got one group of 10, which we're going to regroup into the tens column and just put it up there. Now 6 add 1 makes 7. We don't have anything in there, so we don't need to worry about it. And 7 add nothing makes 7. So if we write it as a number sentence, 769 add 2 equals 771. Fantastic. Now just be careful whenever you're regrouping that you're putting them into the right column, and try not to forget about it, because sometimes you might have a number in there, but you always have to remember to add on the regrouped numbers as well. Okay, so just take your time today. You can use the base 10, you can use the expanded column method or the normal column method, whichever one you prefer today, just to remind you how we're adding 3-digit numbers together. Good luck.